It's been quite a while since OpenAI's AI video generator SORA has been released, and people out there are generating some amazing video like these. In this video, I will be giving you a complete overview of SORA, from basics like creating a simple video to covering up advanced features like Storyboard, Recut, Remix. So sit back, relax and enjoy the video. So first thing is we need to have a ChatGPT or an OpenAI account to get started. So for that, just Google ChatGPT. You'll be getting the first link. Click that and just click on try ChatGPT. And you need to log in if you're already having an account, or you need to sign up if you don't have an account. And after signing in, you must make sure that you are upgrading your plan, because SORA doesn't work with free ChatGPT plan. Okay, so for that you will be having this upgrade plan option. Click that, and there are two plans that are currently available. One is the Plus plan, which costs $20 per month. Another one is the Pro plan, which costs $200 a month. So as you can clearly see here, limited access to SORA video generation, and with the $200 plan you are getting an extended access to SORA. So in my opinion, I will just ask you to get the $20 plan at first, try SORA, and in case if you really like it, I will recommend you to go to the $200 plan and use it out. Now after getting a paid plan, you can just Google SORA. You'll be getting the first link from OpenAI. Just click that and you can just click on start now. This is one way, or else if you go to ChatGPT, they will be having option like this SORA. If you click that, you'll be also taking into the SORA sign in. So you can choose any one of those. And here you can see they are having so much sample videos that has been generated by using SORA. And to the rightmost top, you'll be having the login. Click that. And here you need to enter your ChatGPT credentials and sign in. And once you log in, you will be taken to an interface like this. By default, it will be in the all videos, and here you can see, right, it says create your first video by using the composer below. So this is the place where we'll be writing our prompt, and once you're done that, if you click this, we'll be getting our video generated. And let me show you a simplest way how you can get high quality prompts. And the way is just by using ChatGPT. So just go to ChatGPT and ask it to give us an amazing text to video prompt. So this is what I have asked ChatGPT. Give me a detailed text to video prompt for SORA, and the context is I want a green budgie, which is a bird playing with the ball, and just run. And ChatGPT will give you this beautiful detailed prompt. I will just copy this and now head over to SORA and put it over here. So since I am using the Plus plan, I will only have access to 480p and 720p. So I will go with 720p. But the catch there is it's 4x slower and 480p is the fastest. And apart from that, we are having some presets and the duration. So for the Plus plan, I'm getting only 5 seconds of duration. And this is the aspect ratio, which is 9:16, which is the Reels or TikTok format, and 16:9 is the standard YouTube format. Let me just now run this, and that's it. It only took under 20 to 30 seconds to get this video, and look at this. This is 720p and 5 seconds, and the quality looks amazing. Like the green color bird looks fine, and the ball is also being played, but it's not like 100% perfect, but I would rate it around like 80 to 90%. It's still super accurate. And if you want to download this video, you are having an option over here to download. Click this and the video gets downloaded with watermark because of the Plus plan, and I will download it and click on download. That's it, the video has been downloaded. So if I play it, yeah, this looks amazing. And this is the watermark that we are getting. I hope you can see that watermark. It's not like too much visible, but yeah, it's just at the bottom, a little watermark of OpenAI, but that's not bad, to be honest. If you want to also watch other people's creation, you can just go to this featured option. Yep. So by default, you'll be having this all video space where all the videos that we have generated will be displayed along with the prompt that we have given. So let's start with the top. So we are having the explore option, and if we go to the recent, all the videos that are recently generated by other people will be appearing over here. And the fun part about this is we can get the prompt of those users. For example, if you're really liking this video, you can just click on this, and here you'll be having the entire prompt of that video. So you can just click like this, and you can just copy this, Control A to copy this. And if I go with some other video over here, and this is the prompt, it's just marketing. If you click on the prompt itself, you'll be actually getting an interface like this. So you can literally create an video and just adjust the other properties from here itself. This is a cool feature. And what if you really liked a particular video from here and you want to save it? In that case, you can just click here, just click on save. That's it. And if you go to this saved thing, that particular video that you saved earlier will be appearing over here. Next is going to be the featured. Feature is nothing, it just displays the exact same videos, but these are like hand-picked videos, unlike the recent ones. And next is going to be the all videos. I explained you earlier. And next is going to be the favorites. So the difference between favorites and saved is that favorites is like a bookmark for our own video generation. For example, this is my video, and if I want to save this, I can just click on favorite, and if I go to favorite, my video will be appearing over here. So next is uploads. Currently I don't have anything. This displays our images or videos that we are uploaded. And next is going to be the new folder. This is quite similar to the projects thing in ChatGPT. I can just name it as 1, give a name to the folder, and go to my all videos. This just helps us to organize all our generated videos. For example, if I click this and go to add to folder, I can just click the folder name. That's it. And if I go here, I'll be having that video over here. And if you just remove this, yeah, the video generated won't be removed, only the folder will be getting removed. And in the workspace, we are also having some filters, filter by prompts, storyboards, remixes. So based upon the type we used to generate these videos, we can filter. So I used prompt, so this image will be displayed. So if I go with blends, nothing will be displayed because I didn't use blend. I created by using prompt. That's this. And we have the view, which is list or grid view. And if I go to the profile, and we have video tutorials if you want any of those, and we have the credit system. That's pretty much it. So first thing is, you'll be having this option over here. So this is called as presets, and if you click on manage, you'll be seeing different styles over here, and each preset will have a theme, color, lighting, and a vibe. For example, if I go to this cardboard, this has also the same properties. So let me explain to you why this preset is used. So imagine you want to generate a lot of images but with a specific theme. So for example, let's say you want to generate a video and you want all the characters in that video to be 3D, and you want the color theme to be like light brown or something. In that case, rather than adding that particular text in each and every prompt that you are using, you can just add it as a preset. And when generating that video, you can just select that particular preset and you can just write your prompt alone rather than specifying the theme, lighting, and looks. It just helps us to minimize writing the same conditions and properties for each prompt, and rather than that, we can just store it here. For example, by default, SORA offers these 5 presets. Alright, so let me go with one example. For example, this cardboard and papercraft. Here they have specified the theme as cardboard and color to be brown and stuff, lighting as soft. So whatever the video that we generate by using that preset, that will be themed like a cardboard. For example, let me click on done. So for selecting a preset, go here, and by default it will be in none, and for this demo purpose I will just select cardboard, and after selecting that I will just give my prompt. So this is the video that I got, and it's not perfect, but you get the theme, right? The theme kinda looks like cardboard. The trees and the car, the road, it looks like cardboard. It's made up of cardboard. So that's what the theme means. And by this way, you can also specify many other things like lighting as well as the color grading in that video. For example, let me go and create a custom preset. For doing that, you need to click on this, go to manage, and you can just click on this plus icon and you can type a new preset. So I'll just go with demo 1, and here we can specify camera, lighting, the colors, and everything. So in my case, I will just go with a simple one. I will just go with theme. Theme is going to be the objects or the surroundings, how it needs to appear in your video. So I'll just go with 3D. The theme is going to be 3D and cartoonish, something like this. And let me go with the color. Let me just have it as bright and vibrant, something like this. And let me just save this. You can delete and edit it at any time. So I will just save. Yeah, it has been created and done. And now I'll just go and select my preset and let me just type in a prompt. So this is the video that I am creating. My preset was 3D and cartoonish, but the video has been bad, but you get the context right. I need to give more prompting over there. So it's 3D and it's colorful, bright and vibrant. So that's basically the preset thing. And apart from that, next is going to be the aspect ratio, which is 16:9 by default, the YouTube one. And another one is going to be the 1:1. I will also show a demo of how 1:1 looks. So this is the 1:1 ratio. It's basically like a square. And next, let me go with 9:16, which is like the TikTok format. And this is how the 9:16 aspect ratio looks. And next we have the image quality. So I am using the plus plan, so I get only 720p as well as 480p, which is $20 plan. And if you want to use the 1080p quality, you need to make sure that you are getting the pro plan, which is $200 per month. And next is the duration. So as a plus user, I have access to 10 seconds and 5 seconds for 480p. So if I change this to 720p, I can only generate 5 seconds. And if you want to get 20 or 15 seconds, you need to go with the pro version. But 480p comes with 10 seconds also, but 720 just 5 seconds. And next is the number of videos. Similar case, 720p I get 1 video and 2 video. I can do 4 videos in 720p in plus users. And if I go with 480p, I'm able to generate 4 videos over there for 480p. And this question mark is the number of credits which will be used. For example, 480p and 1 video for 5 seconds cost only 25. But if I go with 480p and 10 seconds, it costs 50. So based upon the settings that you put, the more number of credits will be charged. So first, let's begin with the image. So for uploading our own image or video, you'll be having this plus icon over here. Click that and we're just going to click on upload image or video. And I'm going to select an image of a hot air balloon. And here you just need to describe what you want to change in that video. So I have just given this prompt, make the balloon move with some birds flying around it. And other than that, we are having the same settings, the presets, the aspect ratio. If you want it to be like this, it's giving you a preview, and the quality of the image as well as the duration, exactly the same settings. So once you have given this, just run it. So we have got the output now. This is how it looks. It has added some movement to the hot air balloon and the birds are flying around it. And another amazing thing is that it has added that light or fire coming there. That's amazing. So this is the image. I just uploaded a raw image of that, and it has added the birds, the movement, and as a bonus, without even me asking, it has added that fire effect, and that looks amazing. So if you want to edit the prompt, you can click on edit and play around with it. So now let's see how we can upload a video. So same thing, click here and choose upload a video and select a video. But I think you can't upload longer videos. For example, when I try to upload this 20-second video, it said me video is too large, you cannot upload. So here you can see it just threw an error. I think it's not taking longer videos. So what I did was I just edited that video and made it to 5 seconds. So I will just upload that video, the 5-second one. I'm not exactly sure what's the limit duration for the video that you're going to upload. I will just go with 5 seconds. So this is the video that I've uploaded, nearly 4 to 5 seconds. And as you can see, now I'm not getting any errors. Just click on remix, because that's when you are getting that prompt available. So here, let me go with 720p, I guess, and 1 video. All right, and just add a prompt. So I will just go with this one. Make the sky dark like during night time with lightning and thunders. And I will just click on remix. So it has given me the output, and this video looks kind of different from the one that I uploaded, but it has given me that effect of night light and thunder. So this is the original video. Okay, so it has literally changed the angle and the perspective of the video, but the buildings are quite similar. The angle has changed, but it has given me what I wanted, a night sky with a lot of lightning and thunder. Not perfect, but does the job. I'll be explaining you about the remix feature available. So first, what's this remix feature? In case you have already generated a video, but you need to make some corrections in that video. In that case, this remix feature will be used. And this remix feature not only can be used to your own generated videos, but also to the videos that other people have generated that comes in the recent and the featured tabs. So let's see how we can use this. So currently I am in my library and I am having some videos that have generated by me. So I will just go and make some changes. So for example, I'm having this video of a hot air balloon. So just select that, and here you will be having the remix feature. So as it clearly says, describe changes and create new videos based upon this. Just click on remix. We need to make changes what we want to implement in this video. So I will just go with this prompt, replace the hot air balloon with a rocket, and I will just select one video and the quality is going to be 480p. And another parameter that we are having is the strong remix. They have three options: strong, mild and subtle. In case if you want to make great change to the video, we need to go with strong. Small change, mild, and very minor change is going to be the subtle. And we also have the custom one, and it will show you the remix strength: 1, 8, 7 is strong, 5 is mild and 3 is subtle. But it's fine, you can just directly give it strong, mild and subtle. So mine is a strong change because I'm trying to completely remove an object. So maybe for adding you can go with mild or something. If you want to change the color or something, you can go with subtle. But since mine is like replacing and it's going to make a significant change, I am going with strong. So this is the credits that are being calculated. Once you are done setting all the necessary parameters, just click on remix. So this is the remixed video that I am getting. It has replaced the hot air balloon with the rocket, but that's like a weird looking rocket. But anyways, this is how basically it works. So now let's see how we can do the same for other people's video also. For that, you can go to recent or featured, where you'll be able to see what other people have generated. So these are some of the images over here. So let's go and change any of these. Okay, so I will go with this image. So I'm just going to click it, and you'll be having the remix feature over here. Click that. So I have just set it to replace the PC and add a laptop. So it's going to be a strong prompt, and let's see what it's going to give us. And this time it has given us the output, and this looks spot on. Like when compared to the old video, like this looks perfect, to be honest. The PC has been replaced with a laptop. It has done a great job this time. So first thing, let me explain you what this blend feature does. So this blend feature basically combines two videos in different ways. So imagine there is one video and you want to combine it with another video with a transition. That's a transition way. And there's another blending way where it just mixes both the videos together. So let's see all the types of blending in SORA. And this blend feature can not only be applied to your own videos that you create, it can also be applied to the videos that are present inside recent and feature. You'll be having the blend option over here. But in this video, I'll be showing you the one with the videos I have created. So I'll just come here. This is the one. So first step is you must make sure that you're having the two videos which you want to add a transition or mix. You must have quite similar to each other. For example, I'm going to do blending with this video and this video, and these two videos are really similar because here a tank is moving and here a car is moving. So both the things have a same kind of object which are moving at high speed. So better have that kind of videos so that the transition effect will look good. So now I will go with this tanker first. Click on this, the video, and you'll be having the blend option. Click here. So you can even upload your own video into it. That's up to you. Or else you can just choose from the library. So I'll just go with the videos that I've generated, this Formula 1 video. So the first blending is transition blend, and you will be also getting this influence curve. So what this curve does is that if I move this particular point down, this will reduce the influence of the first video, and if I move this curve like this will reduce the influence of the second video. So that will be considered as a custom blend. I'll just go with the normal one. I'm not going to like play around with the curve. If you want, you can just straight out. So move this means reducing the influence of the first video. If you move this, reducing the influence of the second video. As simple as that. I'll go with the default one. So just click on blend. So we have got the output for our transition blend. This is the first video. So I guess it has done the right job, but the only thing is the tanker image. This part is fine. The transition is so smooth. Like the first video, we had the tank and we had this desert kind of setup, and after that it smoothly moves to a F1 race track. This is perfect. But the first part here, the tank is fine, but the color has changed to a F1 car. I don't know why that happened. So second video, okay, this is better. This is better than that, but here also it has got that, I don't know what is it, the launcher of that fully in the F1 video also. Okay, so this is the transition blend. Let's see another blend now. So I'll just go with the same video. So I'll just click here, blend, choose from library, F1 video, and we saw transition blend, seamlessly flow between clips. Next is going to be the sample blend. I'll just click here. So what it does is influence the primary clip with another. So you can just adjust the, as usual, the influence curve. I'm just going with the default one and I'm clicking blend. So this is how sample blend is going to look. And here, you know, the tanker has taken the primary video. It has been coming all over the both the scenes. Okay, even in the desert and the racing track, I'm getting only the tanker. So that's taken the primary video over there. So here also, it's a tanker comes both in the desert as well as the racing track. So this is that kind of blend. So next one is the mix blend, which I guess mixes both of the clips together. So go here and choose this. We are having the mix blend. Yeah, merge clips together, and again you can change it if you want. I will go with the default and let's go with 4 videos this time. Click on blend. So this is the output that we get for mix blend. So if I play one by one, so this is the first video. So as I told you, it just mixes both of the scene together. So we are having the tanker along with the F1, and look at the surrounding also. It looks like the mix of the F1 race along with the desert. And the second one, exactly same. It's like a mix between the F1 car and the tanker, and the desert and the F1 race track. The third video. So this is the blend feature in OpenAI SORA. I guess most of you won't be using this feature that much, but you can just try it out anyways. So first let me explain you what is this Recut feature all about. So here I am having a video, alright. So if I play this video, this is one particular shot. There isn't any cuts in this video till now. So here you can see there isn't any cuts here, and now you saw that, right? There was a sharp cut from this particular scene to this particular scene, and if I play this video will be having multiple cuts. So there was like another 2 cuts over there. So what if you wanted this particular first scene to extend all over the video, or if you want some random scene in the middle just to extend all over the video without having any different cuts or showing us a different location. So in that case we can use the Recut feature. So this feature is available for the videos that we generate as well as the videos that other people generate, and comes in the recent or the feature tabs. So for example, let me choose this video. This video has a cut. Okay, for example, this is a scene. The tank is far away from the pyramid, and now the scene will change. This is a scene where the tank is so close to the pyramid. So it has this 2 cuts, and basically I just want to extend the first scene more. So what I will do is I will just click on Recut. Once you select the video, you will be having the option. Click here, and now you'll be getting a storyboard like this. Here basically we want to like cut the scene which we want to extend. So it can be at the middle or at the end, or it can be at the start. I'll just go with start. I just want to extend the scene where the tank is far away from the pyramid. I just want to extend this, and after that you can change the properties. I'll go with 5 seconds, one video. Literally you can play around with these things. After this I will just go and click on create. So it's added to the queue. Close it, come back, go to all videos. It will take some time to generate it, so just be patient till then. Yeah, the video has been generated. So if I play it, the first 2 seconds were from the old video and the rest has been generated. So now you can see, right, it's just an extension. The camera is just moving with the tanker. It's not cutting that particular scene and switching over. So this is what the Recut feature does. It just basically extends a particular scene of the AI video that has been generated. So you can do this with the videos that you have created also from all videos library, and you can even extend or recut the videos that other people are doing with recent and feature also. It works for everything. So let's begin with why we will be using this looping feature. So what if we wanted a particular part of our video to loop continuously in a smooth way? So that's the reason why we have this loop feature. So to use this, you are going to click any of your videos that you have generated, or you can even do the same. You can even go to recent or featured or click any other videos. You'll be having that loop feature. So I will go with this video of a cat. I will click this, and here you'll be having the loop option. So I'll just select that, and here you need to choose the starting and ending part of the looping video. So let's go with the starting point. Just come here till this. Yeah, so this is fine. I'll go with the normal loop, and I'll just click on loop, and this is the output that we get. And you can see, right, that particular portion alone, that is the original part of the video, has been looped multiple times in a synchronous manner. So this is what the loop does. We are going to see about Storyboard feature, arguably one of the most amazing features offered by OpenAI SORA. So let's get started. So first, let me begin by why do we need this Storyboard feature and what are the advantages that it gives. So firstly, to create a video in SORA, we will just give a prompt, a text, and SORA will give the video corresponding to that prompt. And in this case, we won't be having much control about the scenes or the visuals or the movements that are appearing in this video. And by using this Storyboard feature, we will be able to describe each and every scene in that video and have smooth transitions and bind them together. So basically, this Storyboard feature helps us to have more control and give more in-depth visuals as well as descriptions for our video. That's the main purpose of it. So to access this Storyboard feature, just comes to all videos, and you'll be having the Storyboard button over here. Just click here, and this is the interface that we will be getting. So first, this is exactly quite similar to the editing timeline that we see in our editing softwares like Premiere Pro or CapCut. So if we change this duration, that is the output video duration, this timeline will also change. Currently it is at 10 seconds because I have selected here 10 seconds. So if I click here 5 seconds, I'll be getting here 5 seconds. So for this demo, I will go with 16:9, exactly the same settings, and I will just go with 480p because that's when I get 10 seconds. I'm using the plus subscription. Alright, so I will generate 2 videos. So basically what we will be doing is we will have many scenes to a video. So imagine we want to create a video of a dog going and eating its food. So in the first scene we will be having the food in a particular bowl, and in the next scene we will be having the dog walking, and the final scene we will be having the dog eating. So this particular scene has 3 phases or 3 parts, and if we do all these things in a single prompt, we won't be getting the perfect of outputs. But using the Storyboard feature, we can tailor perfect those. So let's see a sample one. So currently you will be getting this like a scene. By default you will be having one scene like this, and as I told you, I want 2 more scenes. So you are just going to click here anywhere. The first scene will come from 0th second to 3 seconds. In that case, if you want the first scene to be 3 seconds, come here and click here. So this will be the second scene. So as I told you, the first scene is going to be, we will be having a food in the bowl, a dog's bowl, and the second scene we will be having dog walking, and as I told you, the final scene is going to be the dog eating its food. So I want that scene to come another 3 seconds after this, so I'll go with 7. So here I'll be having my description, and this description need not be necessary prompt or something. You can even upload your own image or video or choose from your library. I prefer giving it in a prompt, so I'll just go with a prompt. So I'll just come here, this is going to be my prompt. So I have just typed this prompt. It's basically, owner keeps the dog's food on the bowl, and if you want this to get more in detail, you are having this expand caption. So by using AI, SORA just gets us a highly detailed and specific prompt like this. This is amazing. And the next one here, this is going to be our second scene. As I told you, the dog is walking towards the food. So this is what I'm giving. The door opens and the dog is walking towards the food, and I will just go with expand caption. And at the end, the final scene, so this is the one that I give, the dog happily eats its food, and I will just go with expand caption. So this particular prompt will occupy the first 3 seconds, and this particular prompt will occupy the next 3 seconds. If you want to move this, you can move this. How many seconds each and every prompt has to fill the gap or fill the timeline. So if you want, you can minimize it. I would recommend you to have like 2-3 seconds gap, so that SORA has the time to like connect and have a smooth transition between each and every scene. Alright, so I guess this is pretty much fine, and you can just play around with these settings, the presets, the number of videos that you want to generate, the duration and stuff. And once you're done, once you're good with this, you can just click on create. That's it, added to the queue. Okay, I have got the outputs over here. So in my first video, the owner is keeping the food, which is our first prompt, and the dog is coming and eating the food. The dog walks and eat the food. So this is kind of okay, this has done our prompt. And in case if you want to edit the storyboard again, so here the prompts are displayed, and if you want to edit it again, you can just click on edit story. You'll be getting the interface. Here you can again change the prompts and edit the stuff. So let's see the another video. I think the other video was good. Here you can see first the owner is keeping the food, the dog's food. Next scene, the dog is coming, walking and eating the food. So I guess this video is kind of good. Only mismatch was the owner's legs. That wasn't quite good, but overall this video is not bad, to be honest. So that's the storyboard feature, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. I've done a lot of videos in ChatGPT, SORA, programming and other AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.